Good morning, Mechanic on Wheels. Today's project is Tesla steering replacement. We'll go through, we'll try to help you if you want to do it. Alright guys, so before you start changing the steering, there are two batteries you need to remove. One is auxiliary and one is the main battery which run your motors, which is at the back seat. You lift it up and then there is this polymer thingy out there. Just remove it and just unconnect that connector. Second battery is in the front trunk, which is the auxiliary battery. That's here. And I just remove the negative terminal or positive, but negative is better. That's what I do. Don't ask why. Just fucking do it. Thank you. In Australia, if this happens, they probably write it off.
Do you think? Yeah.
Yeah, so they probably write it off. Yeah. No parts. That's a terrible damage to one of my customers, Tesla. And we show you how to change the steering today. Beautiful color. Beautiful color. Did you paint it? Because last time it was different.
It's black. Yeah, I vinyl wrapped it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. So there you go. That's my mobile mechanic van. So we're here to change the steering. Okay. No problem. Jeez. So initially we had a round steering, but the gentleman who owns the car, he want to put a half steering.
So it's just like these two.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So when we run the pins through
Here and here.
they go hit what?
I think it's
not these actually. The one on the back here.
Oh,
These.
that one. Yes, that's the
Yeah,
one. Yeah.
that's right. So just give me. Yeah, sorry. All right. So here's the old steering. The trick to get off the top airbags and everything out of it. Not the airbags. Sorry. Your beeping horn coming off. What do you do? Actually, there are two holes on both sides. There's one here, and there's one on the other side. And when you poke through your skinny screwdriver, they'll press these two springs and they'll unlock the whole mechanism for the horn. All right, let's do it. Hi guys, so let's do it. There are two screwdrivers in here. Make sure they're flat head because this spring inside is very skinny. So you need to go on an angle. So you go like that. Something just happened.
Yeah.
On this side. Probably is on the other side. Yep. There's another one on the bottom. Okay. Just come off both sides. It's off from both sides. There's one on the bottom. Hopefully there's no other hole.
No, it's just those two.
Sure?
I've done this before. It's supposed to just pop out.
Oh.
Should be okay.
You're lucky we just parked a little bit far. Oh, come on. I think it's already off from there. Oh, I don't feel anything. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Bloody bastard. Alright. So this is how you do it. Pop off. So what we did actually press those springs and then just release those little pointy dicks. Alright. Next thing we do, we unplug the airbags. Oh, so there is an airbag in here.
Yeah. So just unplug from here. I think.
Oh yeah, we can do that as well. You gotta be very careful when you're here because it's very hard to get any parts for this car.
I used needle nose pliers the other day. Do you have any?
What do you mean other day? You changed another one?
No. The last time we did this too, like a year ago. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Because it's so hard to. Because the bottom one's a bit tricky.
Oh, nice. We can use that. There we go. So that's out and away. from the trouble. So next thing...
And then this one needs to come out.
Yep. Comes out. Okay. That's out.
And that should be everything. And then we just take this off.
Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah.
So now, what do we do next? We'll just unscrew that big crazy bolt. The last one we had, it actually slipped the threads. And we spent nearly 2 hours or 3 hours hammering and chiseling it out. Luckily, the gentleman who owns the car, he had a spare one with the new steering on it. So make sure you have a spare one. And when you're opening it, you got to be very careful. And make sure you lubricate it so it comes off next time if you want to put back the original steering. So there you go, Tesla. And let me just open that one and I'll come back again. Cheers. Okay, so the middle screw turns out to be a bitch. The trick to that is try to open with your hand. I mean with the Allen key if you can. Otherwise, you got to chisel a few corners, the outer shell. They'll rattle out the threads to it. Then try with this one. It'll come out like a dream. That's the one tip. And second tip, this steering on those grooves were stuck together. So just spray a little bit WD and then just wiggle left and right like that, like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. It will come off. All right. That's the tip. Thank you very much, guys, for watching my video. And please press the bell icon button. Stay tuned.